6 connection, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Good. How do we do this? Very slow. We are here on the 7, 8. We make connection here. Body connection we have already. And we just gently on the one slide the leg and turn the body. 7, 8. 1, 2. Transition the body. As soon as we land on the 2, we make connection here on the thigh, soft, and we turn the body to the other side. Free break. 4. Power frame. So the girl knows we're not going. It's a break. And then we go back. Now the girl needs to follow with the thigh. Here we will have connection. And she needs to follow because the leg, I cannot bring her. And 5, put the body weight. 6, connection here. Tension on the 6 because we're going to make the syncopation, the turning syncopation. And 7 and 8, up. Don't go down, up. And now the 1 you start balancing. 1, 2, 3, stop 4. Now, when you do balance, normally easy, you just switch the body weight. Then you can add plie, like a bridge. And then you can add butter on bread for her to make Tarraxinha. Okay? And then when you go up, now we have connection here. The next motion is going to be down, down, up. So we go down, down, up. Again, 5 and 6. What do I need to do? Push with the body, syncopation, intention, in that direction. I bring her down, down, very small step, and, yes, and then I put the body gently backwards and push on the thigh so she can make the break back easy and make a block. And then to finish, we turn the body straight and we go side, close. While we are doing this, boom, we did down, down, up, and now watch. And good. With music.